Hello everyone, welcome to Figure It with Zainab and you're watching the SuperFoodie. The superfood that I will be talking about today is wheatgrass. Now, wheatgrass is packed with a powerful combination of nutrients that make it extremely useful and beneficial to your health. It has many therapeutic benefits that provide complete nourishment. The extensive combination of vitamins and minerals as nutrients makes wheatgrass an exceptional choice to be added to your diet for health and well-being. It is also packed with antioxidant, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Among its other health benefits include it aids better digestion, it helps to boost the immune levels and the metabolic levels. It also helps to keep a check on the blood cholesterol levels, the blood sugar levels and your blood pressure. It also makes you feel much more energized and improves your cognitive function, apart from flushing the toxins and waste from your body and killing the harmful bacteria from the digestive tract. Now let me share a recipe with you that you can make with this superfood, that is the wheatgrass alkalizing smoothie. The ingredients to this recipe would include banana about medium size 1 in number, about 50 grams, pear half in number, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of the wheatgrass powder, about 240 ml of unsweetened vanilla almond milk and 1 small cup of spinach. The method of preparation to this recipe would basically be to blenderize all the ingredients in a blenderizer until it forms smooth consistency, and you can serve this chilled. This would form about 1 serving glass. The usual dose of wheatgrass powder is about 3 to 5 grams or 1 teaspoon. Now a very common question comes as to when to drink the wheatgrass juice. So it could be had on an empty stomach and avoid consuming it with other foods or drinks so as to get maximal benefits. You can even spread it over the day, for example 1 hour prior to your exercise. Now wheatgrass is packed with multiple vitamins and minerals such as A, C and E, as well as iron, calcium, magnesium and amino acids. Now wheatgrass is so potent that it is said that 1 ounce shot of wheatgrass juice is said to have as many nutrients as 2 pounds of green leafy vegetables. That's all for today's episode. If you like watching today's episode, do like, share and subscribe the channel and continue to follow my food ventures.